Some people point to ancient references like the Nephilim in Genesis 6 verse 4 or the Rephaim in Deuteronomy 2 verses 10 to 11, described as giants or mighty beings, as possible inspirations for legends of large, mysterious humanoids. Deuteronomy 2 verses 10 to 11 KJV. 10 The Emims dwelt therein in times past, a people great and mighty and tall as the Anakims. 11 which also were accounted giants as the Anakims, but the Moabites call them Ems. Demons, on the other hand, are very much present in the Bible. They're described as spiritual beings opposed to God's purposes, often associated with Satan and believed to be fallen angels. Jesus frequently cast out demons during his ministry, like in Luke 8 verse 30, where a man possessed by many demons says, "My name is Legion." Mark 5 verse 12, KJV. 12 And all the devils besought him, saying, "Send us into the swine, that we may enter into them." Genesis 6 verse 2, KJV. 2 That the sons of God saw the daughters of men that they were fair, and they took them wives of all which they chose. Did David kill a Bigfoot? Numbers 13:33, KJV. 33 And there we saw the giants, the sons of Anak, which come of the giants, and we were in our own sight as grasshoppers, and so we were in their sight. The giants are meat-eaters. The Nephilim were not just physical giants. They were agents of distortion, hybrid entities designed to defile the image of God imprinted on mankind. Their rise marked a deliberate agenda to overthrow divine order, rewrite identity, and pollute creation itself. And the flood didn't erase the plan, it only delayed it. Now, in the shadows of the end times, that ancient blueprint resurfaces. From transhumanism and genetic tampering to spiritual deception wrapped in light, the Nephilim agenda moves again. This time through armies that mock the heavens and prepare to taunt the returning king on his battlefield. These aren't just normal men. They are spiritually weaponized, prophetically prefigured, and aligned with a cosmic defiance that reaches from Babel to Armageddon. But God is not silent. He marked a remnant with grace in Noah's day, and he will do so again. In the face of giant armies and corrupted wisdom, the word will rise. Not with chaos, but clarity. Not with swords of steel, but with a sword from his mouth. Truth, pure and unrelenting. The Nephilim agenda may gather, but it will fall.